Hey everybody, Harry Brailsford at SMB Nation, out on a boat in Puget Sound looking back at Seattle. And I just want to give a shout out to our MSP Makeover contest. So quickly, you need to go to the SMB Nation site and find the conversation for the MSP Makeover, complete a survey, and then take a business selfie and add it to the SMB Nation Facebook page. Then one lucky winner is going to get a day of Harry for a workshop. The morning workshop is Find Your Mind Your Grinder. And then the afternoon workshop is customized for your needs, and that could include a client visit where, quite frankly, I'll go on a sales call with you. Now, my hope and desire is somebody from Australia wins in our winter or somewhere pleasant in the summer. Of course, Seattle's pretty pleasant, but one lucky SMB Nation member will win a day of Harry, all expenses paid, anywhere in the world, for an MSP makeover. And this is underwritten by our good friends over at SureWeb. So shout out to SureWeb. Again, go to smbnation.com, join the MSP makeover contest. The contest ends on March 31st, and we will draw for the lucky winner. Thank you very much.